When I have a little money, this is how I make a meal for the whole family. I will cut the peeled 3 potatoes into smaller pieces. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I pour water into the pot. I will cook the potatoes until they are soft. I return the strained potatoes to the pan. I add half a teaspoon of salt. I will mash the potatoes. I add half a teaspoon of baking powder to the mashed potatoes. I add 2 tablespoons of flour. I will combine everything to get a soft dough. The dough should not be sticky. How much flour is added depends on the moisture content of the potatoes. The dough should look like this. I needed 4 tablespoons of flour. I sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Roll out the dough to a thickness of 1 centimeter. I will cut the dough into smaller pieces. Here is this size. I will pour oil into the pan. I will wait for the oil to heat up well. I put the dough on the heated oil. I fry the dough for a few minutes on both sides. I take out the fried potato pillows on a napkin. I will cut 1 onion into slices. I will fry the onion in hot oil. A meal prepared this way will satisfy the whole family. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends!